Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophia. This is your first time on my channel. You are highly welcome. Welcome all my subscribers, both my old and returning subscriber. I mean new ones, old, new, all of them. You are all highly welcome. So let's get into today's vlog. Today is another vlog. I think this vlog is going to be in 2 days. Okay, yeah, today is Friday, so I'm going to be adding today's Friday and tomorrow Saturday to make one vlog. All right, let's get into today's vlog and then of course tomorrow's vlog. Okay guys, so my daughter Precious came home with a musical instrument from school today's Friday. They changed their musical instrument. They normally give them free instrument. It's free, isn't it? Yeah, they give them free instrument for their music class. So she's still learning. The one she was playing before was what? Flute. Yes, she was learning the flute before. So now they've given her like it's like a violin. What do you call it? Viola. Viola. She's learning anyway, so she's they just give her today. But she just want to show you guys. She's going to open it so that you guys can see. This is my first time of actually seeing physical of it. I haven't seen it before. Okay guys, so this is my first. I've seen it on TV. I always say it's violin, but anyway, this one is different from violin a bit, even though it looks similar. So let her show you. She's going to open the box so that she can show you guys. Okay guys, so she's going to open it so you guys can see. Okay Precious, you can open it now. So let's see. Yeah, so that's how it looks like. It looks so much like violin. My initial thought was when she opened it, I thought it was a violin. Okay, so anyway, okay, take it out. Let's see. So the school normally give them this. You know, the school she goes to for their music lesson, when they change the instruments, they have to teach them different type of instruments. Okay, you can close the box. So she's just going, she's still learning, as I say, guys. She's practicing. Okay, hold it up. Let's see properly. Yeah, okay, let's move this one. You can put on top of it so we can see properly. Yeah, guys, so that's how it looks like. Do you want to play a bit for us? The little you've learned. She doesn't want to. But anyway, I just thought I would show you guys. Okay guys, so she's learning. Stay, as you can see. Okay guys, so I'm going to, today is Friday. Okay guys, so I go live stream Fridays and Saturdays 6:30 p.m. UK time. Okay guys, so I think it's the same time as Nigeria time, and I think in US or Canada I think it's 12:30, maybe US 1 something or 2 something every Friday and Saturday. Okay guys, so shout out to Sheila, shout out to A Slice of Sam, shout out to Stay Sweet Cuisine, shout out to Family Shops Group. To get a shout out on my video, become a member of my channel, and you get a shout out and other things as well. Okay guys, yeah, so today I'm just chilling out for the meantime. If I have any other thing I want to add to this vlog for today Friday, because I started the vlog a bit late, okay, I will add it to it. If not, I'll add more things to this vlog tomorrow Saturday. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. The sun is quite a lot. Okay, so this is a continuation of yesterday's vlog. So today is Saturday. Okay guys, so today I want to declutter some of my clothes. I need to get rid of some of my clothes. I've had them for like more than 5, 6, 7 years, and I don't really wear them anymore. So I just want to sort them out and declutter them, like throw some of them away, keep the ones I want. Okay, so I just want to take you guys along and show you guys what I'm doing today Saturday. All right guys.
Spend a day looking blank out the window, all looks great in my tank. I'm stuck in limbo, nothing works in my head. I'm moving so slow, shadows lurk all around in my sorrow. Can't focus, I'm distracted, and I don't know what to do. Each time I try to get past it, in the end I think of you. Nothing's fine here without you. life alone. Don't make sense now that you're gone. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. And tough is still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. And tough is still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see. Before this, used to think I knew where to go. Now I see that there is so much I don't know. I lost count at my sense of direction. I am fighting against my own emotion. Can't focus, I'm distracted, and I don't know what to do.
Okay guys, so I'm still sorting out my clothes. As you can see, just quickly want to show you guys. I'll turn them around. I'm going to turn the camera, but let me see if I can show you like this. Yeah, so the ones in the bed, I'm still sorting them out, but I have a lot on the floor there which I'm going to be getting rid of. Okay, so I just thought I need to just get rid of some of the clothes, you know, because all these clothes, some of them I can't even wear anymore, and it doesn't even make me to even see the ones I want to wear. So I'm just trying to clear the wardrobe out so I can get some few new things for myself. Okay, and get rid of the ones I've been wearing for years. I hardly buy clothes because I think I have too many of them, and some I can't wear. So yeah guys, so that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, when I finish this, you know, I'll show you guys more if I have any more things doing. If not, this vlog might reach tomorrow Sunday. Okay guys, so I just thought maybe if I can't put any more thing today, then tomorrow Sunday I will add whatever I'm doing. If not, I'll end it today and start another vlog tomorrow. Okay guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe if you enjoy watching. Okay, so today is just a day, normal day in my life, but I'm decluttering my clothes. Yesterday I showed you a bit of my daughter trying to play a musical instrument that she got from school. She's still learning how to play it anyway. So I'm in my bedroom sorting out my old clothes and hopefully getting some new clothes, which I will show you guys when I do get some again. Okay guys, can you guys see the amount of clothes? See, these are the remaining ones, but these ones are the ones I'm keeping. I've already put some of them in a bag. I got 2 bags already. I'm sure it's going to be 3 bags. Still got this bag. Okay guys, yeah, so I'm still trying to sort out all these clothes. So much clothes. Well, some of the clothes over there are my husband's clothes, so I'm just trying to sort them out still. Okay, yeah, so I think I'm even going to throw more of them away. I'm just trying to really declutter. I've still got some more clothes in my wardrobe. Can you guys see that? It's too much. I need to throw. I just feel like I want to throw everything away. That's how I feel like, because it's too much, and some of them are very old clothes. Yeah guys, so I'm still doing some decluttering. I don't just want the video to be long. That's why I'm not showing you guys the clip of the too much clip of the decluttering of what I'm doing. Can you guys see so much clothes there still? Okay guys, so I'm done with sorting out my clothes. So I went to Argos. I went to carry the drawer. I think you guys remember the drawer I bought last time that I showed you guys. I bought another one for my big son to change the drawers over there. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to be fixing it up right now. I like filming with my camera. The quality of the lighting sometimes, but most of the time, is perfect. The phone, sometimes the lighting is so bright, but I like filming with the camera. Okay, yeah guys, so I'm just in the kitchen. I've been tidying the kitchen up already, you know, so I just want to fix the drawer and then sort the clothes into the drawer. Yeah, so that's what I'm actually doing today. I'm not doing a lot of things today apart from sorting my clothes, sorting that, changing that drawer, taking that one up. We are going to be using that one for maybe putting things like bed sheets, pillowcase, and towel. Yeah, so I'm in the kitchen right now guys, so that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be fixing the drawer. Okay, I will show you guys once I finish fixing it. Okay guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If If you've enjoyed watching or you've watched this far, you're highly, in fact, I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much. Okay guys, thank you.
Spend a day looking blank out the window. All looks great in my tank. I'm stuck in limbo. Nothing works in my head. I'm moving so slow. Shadows lurk all around. In my sorrow, can't focus. I'm distracted, and I don't know what to do. Time I try to get past it, in the end I think of you. Nothing's fine here without you. The sun won't shine till you come through. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. I can't stand this life alone. Don't make sense now that you're gone. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. And tough is still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. And tough is still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see. Before this, used to think I knew where to go. Now I see that there is so much I don't know. I lost count at my sense of direction. I am fighting against my own emotion. Can't focus, I'm distracted, and I don't know what to do. Each time I try to get past it, in the end I think of you. Nothing's fine here without you. The sun won't shine till you come through. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. I can't stand this life alone. Don't make sense now that you're gone. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. You just take up all the space in my mind. Come through, till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. I can't stand this life alone. Don't make sense now that you're gone. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. And tough is still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. Tough is still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see. Spend a day looking blank out the window. All looks great in my tank. I'm stuck in limbo, nothing works in my head. I'm moving so slow, shadows lurk all around. In my sorrow, can't focus, I'm distracted, and I don't know what to do.
Okay guys, so I finished fixing the drawer, as you can see it here. So what I'm doing now is I'm just trying to sort out my son's clothes into the drawer. And yeah, that's what I'm doing now guys. So I'm just trying to sort out the clothes into the drawer. Okay, so today I'll be decluttering clothes and sorting out clothes, trying to change some things because this particular drawer here that is shaking is broken. You can see that it's shaking. Okay, but I'm still going to use it even though it's broken. The wheels are a bit, but I'm going to put it in a permanent position whereby we don't have to move it every time, so that it can still be useful, because the drawers are still good. It's just the wheels that is behaving funny. So I'll try and fix the wheel properly and put it in a place whereby it won't be disturbed too much. Okay, so I'm trying to arrange my son's clothes now. I'm trying to fold them into, I like this drawer. It's stronger than this one. It's bigger. This is bigger than this one, taller. As you can see, it's just a bit more to be my height. Okay guys, so that's what I'm trying to actually do before I end this vlog. At least I'm not adding Sunday to this vlog, guys. Because I started this vlog since yesterday, Friday. So I'm ending it today, Saturday. I've been busy doing a lot of things. Okay, I've been busy. So as you guys can see, I've been decluttering clothes, getting rid of broken items, trying to fix new ones, sorting out clothes, you know. So that's what I've been doing. I didn't just want to take you guys around every single bit of everything. I still have a lot of things to do. But right now, this one is the one I want to focus on first before I continue doing more other stuff. Okay, but I'm going to be ending the vlog. Okay guys, so you guys can see I'm folding the clothes. When I finish folding the clothes, I'll show you guys how the drawer looks like with the clothes inside, and then I can end the vlog. Okay guys, thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it. So when I finish folding the clothes, I'll show you guys how the clothes looks like inside the drawer. Okay guys. Okay guys, so Precious is making ice cream. Well, this kind of ice cream, I haven't seen it before. Where did you say you saw it again? YouTube. She said she saw it in YouTube. So this is custard cream, some milk, and water, sugar, vanilla essence, vanilla extract. So some custard cream biscuits. Remember the biscuits I bought from, oh, this is from Lidl, I think. Yeah, I didn't buy custard. Did I buy custard cream from Aldi? I can't even remember. Maybe I did, I can't remember. But anyway, she's making ice cream, so she's going to put in the freezer later on. Okay guys, so let me go and show you guys the drawer. I finished sorting out the clothes. Okay guys, so this is the drawer. I finished fixing it, arranging the clothes inside. Okay guys, so this is how it looks. Let me show you guys from the side. Okay guys, so that's how it looks. Looks quite okay. I like the way it's slim against the wall, because there are bedroom here. There's not much space in the bedroom to put this drawer, so that's why I put it in the corridor here. Okay guys, I just thought I would show you guys before I end the vlog. Okay guys, so I'm going to be ending the vlog here. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate you so much. Shout out to Sheila, shout out to A Slice of Sam, shout out to Stay Sweet Cousin, shout out to Family Shops Group. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate you all for your support, your kindness, for your love. Thank you guys. I'll catch you guys in my next video, in my next vlog. Bye guys.